Hi, my name is Ezra Begishaw.
Hi, my name is Michael Johnson.
Hi, my name is Montgomery Russell.
And my name is Ashton Singleton.
This is
And
our
we are
working prototype for deliverable 5. The first screen that the user is going to be greeted with is a login screen. And the login screen gives the user two options after they put in their username and password. The first option is a sign up option. The user here can enter their desired username, password, and email, and then they can press the login button. And then here at the login button, they're greeted with the 2FA page. Here it says it notifies the user that they're given a verification code through their email. And this screen prompts the user to enter that code. They have the option to press the send again button. As you can see, the send again button shows that the code has been sent. And then after getting the code resent, the user has the option to go back to the menu or press submit. And then once they press submit, they get greeted with the home page, or if they can log out and go straight to the login instead of sign up, returning to the logout, they can just directly log in. But to show the purpose of a user entering the wrong username and password at the login screen, we have implemented a button just to show. I can go ahead and press that button. It shows the user that the entered code was incorrect, and they have the options to submit or send again. We can go ahead and submit and be greeted with the home screen again, and then whoever can go ahead and take off with the class schedule.
Okay. My name is Montgomery. We were just in the middle of talking about this wonderful prototype when we all had a realization that we forgot to mention that you actually can be logged out by being inactive. And we wanted to show this as a button. So this would be the screen that you'd come back to. Obviously, Marvel won't let you do that within the app, but that is to show proof of concept that it's still there. So with that being said, that's the only thing we were adding to that. So the class schedule is, once you click into it, you are shown your class list, given the classes that you are taking at the current moment. You also have a couple options down here at the bottom, such as class recommendation, add drop, obviously a back button, and a sign out. So with the class recommendation button, if you go to click it, you are prompted with classes that you could take. Ones that are indicated with blue, meaning that they have prerequisites. And from here, you can add or drop classes, or you also have a print function to print off possible skills, and whenever it does, it shows a sent to printer. You can also look at classes that you are currently taking part of your class schedule, and you can drop classes if you have one selected. It show class drop, and you can also add classes if you need be. So you hit submit. Obviously, you'd select a class and it'll show that the course is added. Besides the back button, it just brings you back to the main menu, and of course, the sign out will bring you all the way back to the very beginning. So on to tuition and fees.
So for
okay.
tuition and fees. So basically, for tuition and fees, it just shows you the cost of the all of the fees, all of the tuition. It gives you the total price of it. And you also can insert the payment method on the right. And as you print it, as you click on the print button right there, it's going to actually you want to send to your printer or your export as a PDF file. And if you go back, you can also submit as you submit your payment. It's also be a notification that it will be sent to your payment as well. And the back button just goes back to the main screen.
As for the calendar, mildly simple. You click into it, and then you are able to type into certain things that you might need to be. Obviously, you have a logout button, as we've already shown, that it brings you all the way back. And we also have a back button, so you can get back to the main menu. And then on to get help.
All right. So for the get help screen, you can click on it. What you have here is an interface where you can get help from advisors. You can see the availability of advisors throughout the days of the week. And then you have several different availabilities indicated by the green highlights to show if a advisor is going to be available during those times. And then if you hit the class recommendation button, it'll show you the different class recommendations again for your major. And then going back, you can hit the back button, which will take you right back to the main screen. And then the sign out button will take you right back to the login screen or sign up screen. You can hit that.
All right, and then to add
That's it.
drop.
So for the add drop feature,
You can go ahead.
okay. For the add drop feature, you can print all the classes that you have added or dropped, and it's just gonna ask. And it's just basically just gonna ask you each printer or export again. So the web drop is how if they send the printer up top, and once you go to the web drop, it's basically just going to show you all your classes. It's going back to add you back to the web drop page. You can add classes, see class recommendations, sign out and back button, which you already went over previously. So I'll just go that. You also do a class search. Anytime you need to look for a specific class or one particular class that's not already recommended, you type in the CRN code and all the classes that you need will look up. You can submit the class. You can add it to your class list as you submit it, as you see course added at the bottom. And after that, you can always go back or sign out if need be.
And also for the add drop screen, for the purpose of, for whatever reason that the user may have a prerequisite that they have not fulfilled, or if they have a max amount of credit hours and they cannot register for the class, if they go ahead and click that button, just show the case of that happening. It is demonstrated that the user will be given a message that they are unable to register for the course, and it will then display the reason for whatever specific case it is. And also, if we go back to the home screen and go back to tuition and fees, we can also see the print screen and also the two options is exported for a PDF. It also shows export as a PDF as well as sent to printer.
And then for our final button, it is just a logout button that loops back to the very beginning. And this is our prototype for our class.
Prototype for Team 10.
For Team 10.
Team 10. Yep, Team 10.
All right.